Hello and welcome to this presentation that will give you an overview of the Mechanical Design and Manufacturing Engineering or MDME degree program, jointly offered by SIT and Newcastle University UK. In this presentation, I'll walk you through the key features and curriculum highlights of this program, which will be a holistic learning journey for aspiring students. Before I talk about the program, let's have a quick look at the manufacturing sector in Singapore. According to the latest statistics available, the manufacturing sector makes up 21.5% of the gross domestic product or GDP, which is a significant part of the country's economy. The manufacturing sector is this large of the pie because it consists of many industry clusters such as precision engineering, transport engineering, electronics including semiconductor manufacturing, petrochemical processing, pharmaceuticals, biomedical devices, food production, and many more. There are numerous industry and government drivers like the Smart Nation Initiative, Skills Future, and Industry 4.0 that will continue to grow the manufacturing to twice its present size in the next 10 years. Therefore, the MDME program is there to train students to become future engineers who will be able to support this growth and manpower demand in the manufacturing sector. MDME has three program objectives which are targeted towards developing well-rounded graduates that are articulated into the field of manufacturing and engineering in general. The education in the program is formulated based on the foundation of mechanical engineering knowledge, supported by emerging technologies and principles in mechatronics and manufacturing. There will be a lot of group work in the program which will foster collaborations and leadership qualities to develop impactful engineering solutions targeting areas of digitalization, automation, and productivity enhancements, which are all invaluable in manufacturing today. Lastly, our students and subsequent graduates will also appreciate the importance of lifelong learning so that they will always be at the forefront in making practical yet sustainable contributions to the industry and the society. If you imagine the program as a building structure, it will look something like this. At the base, we have professional engineering skills, which will give you the foundational qualities to be an engineer. Then on top of the base are three pillars of engineering knowledge that you will learn in the program. The three pillars are mechanical, mechatronics, and manufacturing engineering, or simply put, the three M's of the program's educational structure. In mechanical engineering, the focus is in mechanical design. In mechatronics, the focus is in industrial automation, while in manufacturing, the focus is in smart manufacturing. Ultimately, these three pillars of engineering knowledge support the roof of the building, which is essentially the graduates from the program who will become professional engineers that are practice-oriented and industry-ready. If you just zoom in to the base and the pillars of the program structure, you can see a flavor of the modules that you will learn in MDME. At the base, you will involve training in project management, critical thinking, design thinking, as well as digital and communication skills, which are all part and parcel of becoming a professional engineer that can adapt to a continuously evolving industry. Then under mechanical engineering, you will learn about engineering mathematics, mechanics, thermofluids, modeling and simulation, which are important for mechanical design. Under mechatronics, you will learn how mechanical engineering is integrated with electronics to form devices that can be controlled by algorithms. Highlights here include robotics, industrial automation, data analytics, and industrial Internet of Things or IIoT. Finally, under manufacturing, you will learn about manufacturing technologies and prototyping methods using additive manufacturing like 3D printing. You also learn how to improve production processes with industrial skills like lean manufacturing and Six Sigma principles, as well as to perform monitoring and analysis of such processes using sensors for digital and smart manufacturing. SIT's flagship Integrated Work Study Program or IWSP is also incorporated into the final year of the program. This will be 8 months of full-time work in the industry with focus in engineering design and manufacturing productivity job scopes. This will be the time for you to apply what you have learned at the university in your job and concurrently gain actual industrial work experience. This will also be a good opportunity to initiate or grow your professional network, as well as to learn directly from qualified engineers who will supervise you in your work. These are some of the facilities available for you to use during your studies in the MDME program. The Thermofluids Lab has electrohydraulic and electropneumatic training stations so that you can learn about this fluid dynamics for machine operations. The Electronics Lab is where you can develop IoT tools using digital application platforms like Arduino. There are robotic arm work cells, automated guided vehicles or AGVs, and a collaborative robot or cobot in the Robotics Lab for you to learn about control and programming of these devices. A mechanical workshop with machining and 3D printing capabilities is also available for students to undertake project work and prototyping. The Advanced Manufacturing Lab houses our showpiece equipment, the Learning Factory, which you can see at the bottom right photograph. This is a modular production system that incorporates a full manufacturing line integrated with Industry 4.0 capabilities. To end my presentation, here are a few photographs with several of our MDME students diligently, with smiles and cheers, undertaking their experiments or working on their projects with the guidance of the professors teaching in the program. I hope you can also join us in this holistic learning journey in the Mechanical Design and Manufacturing Engineering program. Thank you.